This is Dr. Gladys West, who was super important to the development of the global positioning system and literally reshaped the Earth as we know it. She was born to a family of sharecroppers during the Great Depression, and early on she decided that getting an education would be her way out of that difficult way of life. So she worked hard at it and graduated valedictorian. And she got a full scholarship to what's now Virginia State University, the historically black college. After getting her bachelor's, she taught for 2 years in Virginia's racially segregated schools, but then she went back and got her master's in math. She had a hard time finding work and faced a lot of racism and sexism, but eventually she found a job at the Naval Proving Grounds in Dahlgren, Virginia. She was the first black woman that was hired there. She was the fourth black employee altogether. Her husband-to-be, Ira West, was number 3. Now that she was there, she started working on satellite geodesy. That's the science of figuring out the size and shape of the Earth and its field of gravity. Because the Earth ain't exactly a sphere. It's kind of more of a smushed sphere shape called an ellipsoid. It's mostly the Earth's rotation causes a bit of a belt bulge at the equator. And things like moving tectonic plates and volcanoes make it even more bumpier. And a large part of her work was collecting and analyzing data from satellites. She would use that to make a more and more precise model of the Earth. Initially, she was doing her calculations by hand. But in the mid-70s, she started working on the best computer of the day, this beast, the IBM 7030 Stretch. Her model accounted for local gravity, tides, and other forces on the surface of the Earth. And it made it way more possible to construct an even more accurate geoid than we ever had before. And the geoid is a model of where Earth's oceans would be based on Earth's rotation and gravity alone. Here it is exaggerated 10,000 times. And a super accurate geoid is extremely important to a functioning GPS system, because that's what they use to measure precise surface elevations. And her model formed the basis of the global positioning system. At 94 years old, she's still alive today. And only recently has she been getting a bit of long-deserved recognition. So when you GPS your way home tonight, or eagerly watch your food delivery make its way to you, think of thanks to Gladys West.